You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Irish name, pronunciation, more names from Irish. Stay tuned, definitely make sure. Alright, so let's break it down. Sinead, I know it's not intuitive for English speakers because it's an Irish name. Sinead, might be a bit more depending on the accent. Sinead or Sinead. O'Connor. Sinead O'Connor. Now you know. Stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.